Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hey traders, Anthony here, looking at the US 30 on, let's go out to the daily on the hourly chart. On the daily, we've pushed up into a key level here. In fact, if we took it out to the weekly, you'll see that this whole level here is a key level. I mean, we could pull, we could just kind of average it out. We've got highs and lows that are rejecting off this level all the way through here, this range. So this is a key resistance level right now, and I'm wondering, being the end of the week, do we see this actually sell off here? We've got this daily imbalance resting here. Okay, does it trade through looking to rebalance? Balance area down here. Oh, that's on the higher time frame. Maybe. Let's just have a look at it on the 4H and see what we've got. And again, I mean, it's a similar situation. So, we know that we're trading into a major, resistance level. So on the 4H, the levels of interest for me are going to be, at the moment this is range bound, and I mean, I don't want to get involved with that here, but I'm going to mark this up. I'm looking for a short. I'll just mark these up, and I've got a bit of a roadmap. This is what I'm looking at here. We've got these two little, we've got this balance area here and balance down in here as well. We've got, a bit of an imbalance on the 4H. We know that on the daily, we've got a significant imbalance. And on the 4H, we could mark up this. So I'll just color that purple. Price gap. Market is looking for two things. One, it's looking for liquidity, and number two, it's looking to rebalance. So whenever I see gaps like this, all I'm looking at is this candle, and I'm picking up the candle high on the left, candle low on the right, 4-hour imbalance. We've got these two through here. And if you consider, where are we, price gap, this, here we go. We'll grab a fib. We could pull a fib from, let's just go to the daily time frame on the higher time frame. And it's the end of the week, and look, I mean, what time frame do you want to trade this on? But from a daily perspective, I'd pull the fib from, well, this candle here would make sense, right? Because we've got this 4-hour order block resting here. So there's low to high, and a pull back down into, see this price gap and my yellow zone here? It coincides, it works beautifully, but we've got on the daily, we've got this. See this thin candle here? Let's have a look at the left high and the right the low. This is a daily imbalance. And if we look at the Fibonacci price gap 1D, right, so all I'm doing here is building an argument, and I think my bias is mainly short with this rather than long, given that we've got a build-up of liquidity under here in the form of sell-side liquidity, stop losses. It's the end of the week. Do we see bigger players unloading here and going for a short? So that's another thing. We've got these price gaps. We've got this balance area down here on the daily. I mean, this is, looking for, how can we say, it's ripe for the picking, this range or this zone through here as far as smart money is concerned. So that's that. Go down to the 4H, and we'll just do a quick top down from this time frame. See, here we are. There's our setup. We're looking at this from the daily time frame, but see, we've also got this 4-hour. So if you want to have a look at this on a lower time frame, like a day trading opportunity, let's just grab the fib then from, where are we? Where's my fib? Yeah, I mean, look, I would pull it from here anyway, because we've got this 4-hour order block sitting right there. That's the range. This is it. That's the setup. So I'm reluctant to get involved long, and I think what I'd like to see with this, by the way, guys, before I wrap it up and give you my final thoughts on this, have a look at the links below. Check out We Trade Your Forex account. You can connect your account to mine and join our Telegram group. It's free and you're most welcome. Love to see you in there. Back to the chart. Okay, we've got this going on here. We've got these lower highs, and under here, relative equal lows right through here. So we've got this bearish descending triangle setting up. I think for me, I would probably look to get involved if we see, and only if we see. And we've got our targets. Here's our yellow zone. We've got the price gap. We've got the 61.8786. I'd probably want to see this crack this low, pull back, retest and fail here, and then, however it works out. But if we see a trend setting up under here, I would get interested in that for sure. So I think that would be the setup, but I want to see it break the low. I want to see it break this low, retest and fail under here, and then I'm in. So that's how I'll be approaching this, guys. So I think with that, that more or less wraps it up. Click the links below, comment, smash the likes, whatever you can do with this, that would be great. Join Telegram. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.